reside, reside. Live, somewhere. Michael is 34, but he still resides with his parents. She resides with family in the city. Embark, embark. To begin a long trip. We embarked on our journey in Italy. Sarah embarked on her first international trip. Confide, confide. To tell someone's secret. She confided her true feelings to her best friend. He confided a deep secret to me last night. Despise, despise. Hate very much. Susan despises rude emails. I can never, ever forgive him. I despise him. Berate, berate. To scold or criticize someone angrily. Her mother berated him for making a mess. Mike's boss berated him for being late to work. Indicate, indicate. To show, indirectly. She raised her hand to indicate that she had a question. The clouds indicate the coming of rain. Ensue, ensue. Happen, as a result of something. Panic ensued after gunshots were heard in the building. Frustration ensued once the cafe Wi-Fi went out. Accuse, accuse. To say someone did something wrong. George's boss accused him of producing sloppy work. The teacher accused the student of cheating on the test. Envy, envy. To feel jealous of someone. She envies her sister's success. He envied his friend's new car. Recall. Recall. To remember something. Mr. William, do you recall what you were doing on the night of murder? Do you recall where you left the keys? Aspire. Aspire. Have a strong desire to achieve something. As a boy, I aspired to be an astronaut. Sarah aspires to become a doctor one day. Perplex. Perplex. Confuse. David was perplexed by the difficult math problem. Adam was perplexed about which path to choose. Detest. Detest. Hate. Jane detests spicy food. It's upset her stomach. Zane detests loud noise when he is studying. Opt. Opt. Choose. This car was available in many colors. I opted for red. Arlo opted for water instead of soda. Discard. Discard. Get rid of, throw away. Laura decided to discard some of her old clothes. Leo discarded the broken toy in the trash. Dwindle. Dwindle. Decrease over time. The battery life dwindled after heavy phone use. Newspaper sales dwindled as people turned to online news. Reluctant. Reluctant. Not wanting to do something. Patty was reluctant to take her medicine. Liam was reluctant to speak in front of the class. Convene. Convene. Gather for a meeting. The team convened to review the project's progress. The committee convenes next week. Expedite. Expedite. To speed up a process. To expedite the approval process, you can apply online. Please expedite the delivery of the package. Contempt. Contempt. A feeling of disrespect for a person. She feels contempt for her husband because he is lazy and has no job. Protesters were fined for contempt after ignoring the court's orders.